Hello everyone, it's me again. In the previous video, we finished creating a simple file. In this video, we'll learn how to scale effects and learn more about SubUV to use texture sheet animation in Unreal. Back to Niagara where we left off in the previous video. I will create a user parameter. User parameters help us turn a fixed value in a material into a parameter that can be edited from outside without modifying the original material. Let's name it effect size because I'll use it to scale the effect. I don't need this, so I'll leave it as unset. Now, I will multiply the user parameter effect size with the parameters I need to scale. I need to scale the particle size, so I'll multiply effect size by sprite size. Multiply by shape size. Multiply by velocity speed. Let's go to the viewport and check it out. We can adjust the user parameter settings here. I'll try scaling the effect up 10 times. It seems like it's working well now. Reset the position of the effect. Now, let's do the same with the remaining particles. Okay, now let's check it in the viewport. Everything is working well now, so we can scale the effect as we like. I realized that the scale hasn't been set for the glow effect. Okay. Now we will move on to part 2, learning about SubUV on Unreal. I've placed the fire in a pre-made and free level on Fab. I'll put the link to this asset in the description. Let's scale our fire up a bit. I will import a texture sheet here. And create a new material for that texture. Duplicate material circle add, then we will edit its shader. Replace the newly created material into this particle. To use a texture sheet, we go to Render. Then go to SubUV. In SubImage Size, we enter the number of rows and columns of the texture. Here my texture has 2 rows and 2 columns. In Particle Update, add the SubUV animation component. I want a random frame, so I will choose random here. Later I'll talk about other options. Choose Sprite Renderer here. Evolution type select Spawn only. Now, the particle will randomly pick one of 4 textures from the texture sheet. Add sprite rotation rate to controls the speed at which sprites rotate over their lifetime, measured in degrees per second. Here, I'll make it rotate randomly between -100 and 100. Continue doing that with the remaining particles. Create a translucent material using the texture sheet we just made to use for Smoke and Fire Translucent 1. Like the additive material we created earlier, except the blend mode is translucent. Replace the translucent material for Smoke and Fire Trans 1. And that's it. Before reviewing the effect in the viewport, let's talk about other options of sub-animation. I'll import another texture sheet so you can see better. Create a material for that texture. Add the newly created material to this particle. If we use linear, the texture will run sequentially from the first frame to the last and then stop. I haven't adjusted the number of rows and columns of the texture here yet. As you can see, curve is the same, but we can customize the frame transition speed, slowing down or speeding up, depending on how we adjust the curve. Infinite loop runs sequentially from beginning to end, then repeats continuously. Direct index allows them to completely control which frame is displayed via a parameter. Or, it can also randomly select between two optional values. Okay, let's review our effect in the viewport now. I'll relight it so we can see our effect more clearly. It's alright for now. Needs a slight adjustment regarding the particle size. So, after these two videos, you've learned how to create a simple fire effect in Unreal. In the next video, we'll make a slightly more complex effect. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.